Hello, and welcome to the DX7 Series excavators launch by Doosan Infracore Europe. And now, a message from Doosan Infracore Europe's CEO and Managing Director.
Hello, and welcome to the launch of Doosan's 7 Series excavators. It's an honor to speak with you today, customers, dealers, business partners, and colleagues, and tell you all about these newly launched machines. Before jumping into our exciting news, I'd like to address the challenges posed by the ongoing COVID-19 situation affecting the entire industry. I know the past 2 years have been complicated for all of us on both professional and personal levels. On behalf of Doosan Infracore Europe, I'm thanking you all for your continued support and cooperation in these times. Even in an uncertain market, we are by no means standing still. Our engineers have been hard at work. Not only are we developing advanced new machines, but also creating the solutions of tomorrow. Doosan is reinventing the way we work with Concept X, our revolutionary vision of a future job site. With autonomous machines powered by the robust AI and next-generation machine learning, we are bringing a huge leap in productivity, efficiency, and safety. I'm happy to say that these futuristic technologies aren't just concepts. They are making their way into our products today. The new 7 Series excavators feature many upgrades that take all the models to exciting new levels. We are really proud to show you these machines and trust that you will share our excitement too. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of the event.
First, let's take a look at one of the most compact machines in the new lineup, the DX140 LCR-7. Next, we will be looking at the medium-sized excavators, the DX225LC-7 and DX225-7X. Finally, we'll jump into two of the biggest machines in Doosan's DX7 range, the DX490-7 and 530LC-7. And lastly, a message from Doosan Infracore Europe's Vice President of Sales and Marketing Europe.
Hi, my name is Gilles Bendaoud. I'm the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Doosan Infracore Europe. I am delighted to share with you a few more insights with regards to our latest excavator range, the -7 series. First of all, safety. With exceptional 360 degrees cameras to give full visibility around the excavators, linked with ultrasonic detection, our excavators are safer than ever allowing operators to focus on their job, minimizing the risk of accident. Second, operator comfort. We are introducing in our very spacious cab a new premium seating with heating and cooling controls to provide a unique comfort feeling to the operators. Third, efficiency. Our new smart hydraulic system provides, thanks to a priority valve, optimal flow to the attachment when both the arm and the attachment are working simultaneously, resulting in 30% better work efficiency. And last but not least, sustainability. We have increased fuel efficiency with our latest Stage 5 compliant engines. In addition, with an improved combustion system reducing particle emissions, we have increased the lifetime of the diesel particle filter with no maintenance required until 8,000 hours. The entire range of Doosan -7 series excavators brings upgrades and improvements all across the board and result in superior performance, intuitive controls, lower total cost of ownership, environmental protection, and unbeatable value for money for our customers. We trust that you too will share our enthusiasm. Thank you for watching.